what's up my pineapples? Welcome back to my channel. So today I figured I would show you a Target haul. I had a lot of fun today and I was on my IG story and I was going all around Target with my mom. So I figured, hey, I wanted to show you what I picked up at Target. Maybe you guys might want to pick it up. There's a lot of cute things right now, especially now that we're in spring, and oh my gosh, it's just so much to look at. But I wanted to show you like normal things that I buy as well. It's not going to be a bunch of like random crap. Well, there is some random crap, but I want to show you just what I purchased. I also want to do a video. It just like hit me where I want to show like the random like crap that I love. Random things, but they're actually really helpful. Before we get into the haul, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also click that bell. Okay, so let's start off with the first thing. So I was in the section with all the knives and all the kitchen gadgets and stuff like that. Now, we're a big time fan of garlic. I think I add garlic in 90% of the dishes that I cook, but this one is a garlic chopper, and this one looks so much fun. It says roll to chop right here, and it might be kind of fun just to use this. So you just put the cloves inside here and you just roll it like this, and oh, you can see it. See, it just rolls back and forth. See? This is what Target does to you. Target makes you buy a lot of random stuff. Like this video if you agree. Going to the whole garlic theme, what you do is you put the cloves inside here and then you smash the garlic. So this is just a garlic press, and it not like purees it, but makes it even more squishier, not chopped. So I like this whenever I like mix it in with meat or marinade. So I decided to get this one as well. We already have one, but it's super cheap. It's just plastic and it doesn't really do anything. Next up, I got Fiber One 90 calorie little cookie. Well, they call it brownies, but it tastes like a cookie. It's a brownie, but it says chocolate chip cookie. If you guys ever have like a sweet tooth or you have a craving, but you don't want to go ahead and like bake a whole dozen cookies from the Pillsbury, even though I really like those, curbs that little sweet tooth, and you don't feel as guilty, and you don't eat like a ton of them. You only eat one because they're wrapped, and yeah, I highly recommend this. They also have some brownie ones, but this one I just really like, or fudge brownie, but I like the chocolate chip. These are my favorite, especially now that the weather is getting hot, and I'm just one where I like to keep the booty fresh. These are just little Fresh Mates from Charmin, just the refill. I already have one, but I decided to pick up a different scent. Now these are the new secret deodorant balls, and these are Freshies on the go. This one is called Cool Water Lily. I have the other one, I think it's Ocean Breeze, and it's a little mini deodorant. See, so you just twist it, and oh my gosh, I think these are the cutest thing. It's just a little deodorant. Isn't that so cute? Let's smell this one. Ooh, this one smells really good. It's, oh wow. I think that's my favorite so far, and then Ocean comes in second. Handy just to put in your purse, maybe put it in your gym bag. I want to put this one in the middle console of my car just in case, like, you know when you run out the door and you're like, oh my gosh, I didn't put deodorant. So yeah, I figured this would come in handy for those times. Duo Glue, this is my favorite one. I always get the dark one. I don't know, Duo is just my favorite. I know a ton of people say like it smells like fish and it's too strong for them, but this is bae. Like my lashes will never come off within the day. Just number one for me. So I'm not one where I drink kombucha. I don't really do like a lot of pressed juices, but the only one that I have tried where I'm just like, yes, this tastes so good is the Suja Vibrant Probiotic Organic Water Strawberry Raspberry Lemon Honey Tart Cherry Probiotics with Stevia fruit juice drink right here. This one tastes really good. It's 60 calories. Here's like all the info in the back. I don't really feel guilty when I drink this because it's only 60 calories and it's really refreshing when you drink this super cold. Oh my gosh, it's so good. But it says all this other stuff, but it basically just tastes like strawberries and raspberries, and I highly recommend this one. I'm a contact lens wearer, so I got the Refresh Optiv. Not really sure why this one was on clearance. So if you guys use this brand, I would highly recommend to go check out your Target because originally it's $16.89 and now it was only $11.82, and you get two of these. Why that they're, I don't know, discontinuing this maybe, but it was on clearance. I should have got the second box, but yeah, that's a really good deal because this stuff gets really expensive. Babe, I got contact solution for us. I think they call it the dollar spot or just like the Target spot. I forgot what it's called now because not everything's $1 now, but they always have so many cute things going for the season. And this wouldn't be a haul if I did not show a pineapple. So I'm super excited about this. It's a really nice dish. I don't know, maybe put some dip in here for a party, put some candies in here, put lipsticks. I will figure out what I want to put in here, but I thought this was really cute. And it was only $5, which I was pretty surprised because, I don't know, I think the quality is really good. So for $5, it's really adorable. Right next to it, there was another item, and this one was only $3. It's a little matching set. I thought it was super cute. And again, only $3. And if you're a pineapple lover like me, you already know, you just can't walk by it and not get it. I'm totally addicted. And again, that's why you guys are called my pineapples. Here's a boring item, Dawn Platinum, 4 times more grease cleaning powder. So I'm someone where I love lemon in my water. There's a lot of good benefits for it in the morning time. And I feel like I'm always losing some juice, so I'll like stab it. I'll stab it with a fork and kind of twist it, try to get all the juice. But I figured, why don't I just get like a little, you know, juice squeezer. So I found this one. These things are really expensive because I found one and it was $17.99. I'm not paying $20 to squeeze my lemons. I'll just use my hands. But then I saw this one and this one was only $9. And I was like, all right, well, $9, not bad because it's really good. It's sturdy. And this one's for lemons and limes. So that's why there's the 2 layers. But see, for lemons and limes. So I really just want to make sure I squeeze all the juice. And plus I usually make a mess whenever I use the fork and it squirts out at me. My favorite hot sauce, let me know down below what your favorite hot sauce is, but this one, sriracha, I put that on everything. This is my absolute favorite. I don't know what it is. I love it on eggs, on pizza, on any item. Oh my gosh, Korean barbecue, it's bang. Now, my weakness, oh my gosh, you guys, is candy. So we were going down the candy aisle and I saw these, and these are brand new. And I don't know how new they are, but they're the Sour Patch Tropical. Now, the flavors are passion fruit, tropical twist, pineapple, so duh, I had to get it, and Paradise Punch right here. But oh my gosh, I have the biggest sweet tooth. I really wish I didn't, but candy is my weakness, and my #1 favorite candy is gummy bears. Anything Haribo, I'm there. Then I wanted to also be good and I picked up some bananas just because I like sticking bananas in my smoothies. I don't know, I feel like I can't have a smoothie without a banana. It's just missing something for me. Nivea Essentially Enriched Body Lotion. Now I saw Desi Perkins talk about this and she said it gives your skin like a beautiful glow and she can't go anywhere without it. It says dry to very dry skin. My bad is like whenever I get out of the shower, I'm one where I don't really enjoy putting lotion on my body. I skip it like a lot of the times and I'll go ashy until I'm gonna leave the house and my knees are showing and they look super dusty, like I dropped powdered donuts on them. I'm just not a fan of putting on lotion, and then when I sweat, it just feels gross to me. It's just not my favorite, but I don't know, I definitely don't wanna look ashy, so I went ahead and picked this up. I'm not saying I never wear lotion because right now I'm like kind of listening back to what I said and I just sound like I'm dusty. Next up, my favorite drugstore toner. Oh my gosh, my number one, because I just finished using my Origin Zero Oil one. Now, whenever I buy a toner on my own, this is one I always go towards, and this is the Neutrogena Pore Refining Toner. It is so good, I'm telling you. For me personally, it works just as good as high-end ones. I think it just really tones the face, tightens up the pores. For sure, I think this is a great one. It says visibly reduces the appearance of pores and refined skin, and I believe it. I've been using this for so many years. I got Glenn to use this as well. I believe it's $6.99, but definitely worth it. If I had to pick a toner and I had to, like when it came down to a high-end or a drugstore, I would still pick this one because this one works just as well and you save a ton of money. I know I've mentioned it before, but I haven't talked about skincare too much on my channel lately, which I plan on doing an affordable skincare video. Yes. Then next up, going back to that video that I want to film, which is why I picked this up for the affordable skincare. I want to see if this is still good. Back in the day, I used to use this all the time. Now it says it's new and improved. This is Clean & Clear's Morning Burst Facial Scrub. Now there are bursting beads and I love how this made my skin feel. It felt just like super refreshed and cooling, and the exfoliant beads or the bursting beads are not too rough. Now I know some people have like a love-hate thing with this product. The lady who was doing my facials before, she's like, don't use them. And then I heard another lady say just as long as you properly prep your skin and you steam and all that good stuff and you open up your pores, they're okay to use. And I have my own facial steamer, the Dr. Dennis Gross one, and I love that one. It is so good. I highly recommend it. It's from Sephora. The product I'm talking about are these Biore Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. Now, I get a ton of whiteheads in this area, and I'm telling you, whenever I use these, it rips all the gunk out. When, like, not rip where it's like, you know, breaking capillaries. Either way, I still use these because this is the only thing that really gets everything out, especially if you don't have time to get facials or the money to get facials. I haven't had a facial in quite a while, and this has been keeping all my whiteheads in check, and I love it. These ones are just the nose strips. Another pineapple item, I saw this one, it was $2.95. I think that's like a little high for a mask just because I know you can get like the Neutrogena and also, what is it, the Garnier ones for, I want to say $2 at Walmart, I'm not sure, or $2.50 at Target, but this one was almost $3, so, you know, just to save some coin, because masks, you can use them so many times within a month or whatever. But this is a pH balancing natural extract, paraben plus sulfate free pineapple facial mask, and I've never tried this one out, so decided to try out this brand right here, Spa Life. And it's just one of those regular masks. My favorite masks though have been the hydrogel ones. Those are definitely my favorite. The Olay Daily Facials. I was just going through the aisle and I heard a couple people talk about these. I want to say it was Remy Ashton. I'm sorry, I don't know her last, Ashton I think. And I have used these before. It's basically like a cloth, you open it up and then you run it underneath the water and scrub your face. And it cleanses your skin, it tones it. It says right here, 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. Nourishing clean shea butter one. Definitely wanted to try this out just because, again, I want to do that affordable skincare video, and I wanted to see if this should be in that video, and we'll see if it lives up to the challenge. Thank you so much. And then the last item I have is Ding Dong. Oh, hi, Yeppy. That's my dog. Ding dong, a welcome mat. Of course, pineapples. You wanna say hi? So Target had one last year and we have that one in the front of our house right now, but they had this one and this one's just as cute. So maybe we'll put this like in the back going outside, but I couldn't pass this up because these ones sell out quick and I wanted to make sure I got it. And that is it, you guys. That is my Target haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs this video up if you love Target because, oh my gosh, when I walk into Target, it is like, whoa, you pineapples are amazing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah!
Here we go, it's all about you, it's all about me, it's all about what we do. Making art, you and me, trying to find something to believe.